Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and this is the second part of the video called What if I sound weak and shaky in my NG exercise? What if I sound like this? I show this sound because I hear the sound from my students very often, and it's a very common issue. So another common reason for this weak and shaky sound may be just not having enough air pressure. It's usually combined with the tension in your throat and tongue. But don't overdo it either, because too much air pressure isn't great too, because we need natural sound. So make the sound as natural as you can. To add a bit more air pressure, try imitating your moaning from some painful experience. For example, a bee sting or hot water on your knee, like So you imagine that you're moaning from something painful. Hot water on your knee. The more natural it sounds, the less shaky it will sound. Like or a bee bites you. You can also imagine you're pushing something heavy, like So this will explain how to add more air pressure in the sound. Okay, so the second thing, you can also try starting the sound with a little lock. The lock is this. So if you're starting with this little lock, it will gently close your vocal cords, and the sound will be more ringing and buzzing, and it will be more mixy, in like your mixed voice. It will be more like a mixed voice. So, or you may start from the second or third time, like a lock, and then you add more pressure. So first you close this lock, then you add this air pressure, and then you gently open it. One common mistake is that sometimes students first open this lock and then add the air pressure. This won't work. So for example, like no, this won't close your vocal cords in the way you need. So first you lock, then you add a little bit air pressure, like pretending some painful experience, like, and then you open. But do everything carefully and gently. You can hear that my voice isn't shaky now. So, and the third thing I want to tell you is that you may master this skill with the Mosquito exercise. Once again, this exercise helps you to add more and less air pressure. In this way, you will master this skill better. Like, you start with a heady voice and little air pressure. When the mosquito is far away from you, you imitate this mosquito with the low pressure and heady voice. Low pressure. when the mosquito kind of gets closer to your ear, the sound gets more buzzing, ringing, and there is more air pressure. And in this way, you master this ability to add this pressure. So thank you for watching. Write your questions.